Some people achieve success even as they wait through challenging times. Great leaders have risen from ordinary circumstances to gain extraordinary wisdom and spirituality. The Vipreet Raj Yoga in the horoscope chart of a person can have this effect: success despite extreme difficulty. This yoga is certainly very powerful. Riksha Wala's son becoming an IAS officer would be a prime example of Vipreet Raj Yoga at work. Vipreet Raj Yoga in astrology. As the name suggests, Vipreet Raj Yoga in Vedic astrology is made up of two words: Vipreet, which means opposites, and Raj, which means a king's rule. This presents a condition in the kundli of a person where the negative add up to a positive outcome that can be life altering. Fortunes are reversed wherein you receive benefits after a spate of bad luck. Vipreet Raj Yoga is a contradictory yogas where you get the positive result from the papi grahas. These grahas are notorious for causing malice and ill will with their effects, but they face an advantageous position when they are in each other houses, and this result in positive outcomes. How is Vipreet Raj Yoga formed? Vipreet Raj Yoga is formed when the Lord of the 6th, 8th and 12th houses, also called Dusht Sthans, are sitting in any of the three houses, 6, 8 or 12. There are three types of Vipreet Raj Yogas. Harsa Vipreet Raj Yoga. This yoga occurs when the 6th house Lord is sitting in 6th, 8th or 12th house. Salla Vipreet Raj Yoga. This yoga occurs when the 8th house Lord is sitting in 6th, 8th or 12th house. Vimla Vipreet Raj Yoga. This yoga occurs when the 12th house Lord is sitting in 6th, 8th or 12th house. The strongest yoga is formed when each of these houses Lord is in their respective houses. For example, when the 6th house Lord is in the 6th house, also the ascendant planetary lords may affect condition for the formation of Vipreet Raj Yoga. Significance of Vipreet Raj Yoga. The Vipreet Raj Yoga is not a considerate Raj Yoga, as the native will have to go through many hardships to become successful. The initial journey will undoubtedly the very difficult, but eventually there will be victory against great odds. The Vipreet Raj Yoga glorifies a person as a trusted leader even in the worst times. Even though the native emerges a winner through the challenges, there could be worse situations waiting to unfold, circumstances giving rise to chaos, pain, and suffering. Effect of Vipreet Raj Yoga. Each of the Vipreet Raj Yoga result in different effects. Harsa Vipreet Raj Yoga blesses the native with health and wealth. He or she is considered a leader who wins over enemies, earning much fame and glory. Salla Vipreet Raj Yoga blesses the person with wisdom and power. It infuses the native with an air of authority and sagacity to solve problems. Vimla Vipreet Raj Yoga blesses the person with a positive attitude, an honorable career, and a spiritual approach to life while accumulating considerable wealth. In conclusion, Vipreet Raj Yoga comes from the opposite circumstances. The native will always be surrounded by enemies. Therefore, there is a need to be always prepared for adversaries.